Physical Science 102, Updated Syllabus for Fall 2021. The course number is PHY102. This is Section 1. And the time for the course is to be added. The class location will be VM Chamber Hall on Tuesday of each week, and online via Blackboard on Thursday of each week. The instructional mode is traditional hybrid. The prerequisites for this course are none. However, it's strongly recommended that students will have taken Math 101. The official textbook for the course is K.B. Krakoff and A. Beiser, The Physical Universe, the 16th edition, 2017. Several ISBN numbers are listed here. You may choose whichever one you wish. Get the textbook as soon as you can. The instructor is Dr. Matthew E. Edwards. That's who I am. My office is located in 145 VM Chamber Hall. My lab is in 025 VM Chamber Hall. I'm generally always in my lab if I'm not in class, so that's the best place to see me. Just come to the lab. My office hours will be added as well once class instructional process is finalized for this semester. My emails are listed here. Please feel free to contact me via email anytime. And my telephone numbers here are listed as well. You may contact me via telephone as well. Hold for one moment while I make adjustments to the page. So the course description, the course will cover basic chemistry, earth science, and some space science. Student learning outcomes. Students will gain basic knowledge in the topics of periodic law, crystals, ion, solution, chemical reactions, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, and earth materials, the changing crust of the earth and the sky, the solar systems, the stars, and the structure and evolution of the universe, as much as we can in all these different topics. Mainly the course though will start off in chemistry, and that will take up a large portion of the course. Students will also have an understanding of physical processes, the universe, and build awareness of how science influences daily life. The course format and the particulars on traditional hybrid. As traditional hybrid course, the main teaching style will be face-to-face instructions on Tuesday, once a week, with online lessons on Thursday for the other day of the week. For further enhancement to the student via specific online videos. Additionally, homework assignments and review of the same will be implemented face-to-face or online as specified by the instructor at the time of giving the assignments. The online portion of the class will stay in step with the face-to-face instructions, and weekly updates and announcements about the course will be given in class and posted on the home page of Blackboard. Through having an open mind for receiving and sharing knowledge and a willing to learn, the student will show and explain how to reach a given solution by recording intermediate steps in a set of calculations or describing your answer logically in words. Simply listening or guessing an answer via multiple choice questions is not acceptable. Additionally, homework assignment, where each assignment is to be submitted as a separate document or due on the specific date indicated. Keep assignments separate from one another and submit each separately as a single document. And you should take tests on the scheduled dates. Please hold once again. Okay. You should have your own inexpensive calculator to be used other than your cell phone calculator. And dress code is followed when we are in VM Chamber Hall. And the code of conduct is implemented as per the student handbook. I will respect each and every one of my students, and I expect a reciprocation from you, and I expect you to treat your peers equally with respect of each other. Let's see. The course outcome coming up. Also now, the university provides an environmental and programmatic access for persons with documented disabilities as defined in Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and the Americans with Disability Act of 1990. Any student who desire information or assistance in arranging needed services for a disability condition should contact the Director of Special Student Service of the Student Center, and the phone number is given here. So please feel free to do that. Attendance policy. Student is permitted one unexcused absence for each credit hour generated by the course. For example, 3 credit three absentees are allowed in this 3 credit hour class. Tutorial assistance. Tutorial assistance for undergraduate courses can be obtained from the Tutorial Assistant Network of the university, which is a subsidiary of the Office of Academic Support Service. TAN, as the acronym for it, is located in room 100C Buchanan Hall. The telephone number is listed here, and please contact the instructor, me, if you have difficulties contacting TAN. Now on towards the grading, which I know is very important to you. It is equally important to me. The first comment I make is grade determination. Students having at least the 94 exam average on exam 1 through 3 will be exempted from the final examination with a grade of A awarded for this course. That's what I want to see. I expect to have many students to be exempted from my final examination. Typically, that is the case. Attendance and class participation is extremely important to me, each one of them separately, and they count 10% towards the course. Homework counts 15%. Don't let that 10% and 15% deceive you. If you do very well on my homework and participate in class and come to class, it has a direct impact on your outcome for examination 1, 2, and 3 and the final. And so you see I have those there with the respected percentages. Hold once again. Also, you see my grading scale here. 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 90 a B, etc., on down the line. And so now this lists some of the course material. We will start with chapter 10 of this book the very first week. And the very first assignment, although I call it the 0th assignment, it will be a handout for you. So I will provide that for you. And so you will see, typically I will have both multiple choice assignments, like the first multiple choice for week 1, all odd questions are 1 through 40. The first exercise questions 1 through 10, and the second set of exercise questions 41, 44, 45, 49, 51, and 52, etc. You will find this is consistent throughout the entire set of weeks that we will be involved in this class. So please see all of these listed here. All of this, though, I should say, is an indication of what I wish to happen and what I expect to happen. There may be changes, and you will be prompted and informed timely when changes are made if they are necessary. Please read the additional section on University Classroom Code of Conduct and the dress code for the university. Both of those are listed here. Let me turn to the dress code just briefly. Please dress according to the standards of the university. Okay, that takes me to the end of this presentation. Have a good day. Bye-bye.